Hey there, my name is Teacher Jaja. How are you? Do you feel fine? Oh, so can you tell teacher what made you smile today? What made you smile? Oh, you went to school? What else? You have, you had fun? Oh, that's great. Now we will have a new lesson, and I hope that you're very excited and ready. Let's start! Okay, so we have here lesson number 1, and it is from the book of Journeys K3. That's right. And what's the title of our lesson? Oh, very good. Anchor text. That's right. And we are going to have a new story. We're going to read a new text. Yes. And we have here genre. Do you know the meaning of the word genre? Okay. So genre is also called a theme of a story. Yes, genre is also called a theme of the story. And we have here an example of a genre. Humorous fiction. Can you please read? Okay. Humorous fiction has characters and events that are funny as you read. Look for. They are mostly realistic characters and events, a setting that is familiar to most readers, and funny situations are events. Yes, from the word humorous. Humorous means being funny or having fun. Yes, and that's the theme of our new story. And we're going to meet the author. Well, by the way, do you know the meaning of the word author? Yes, that's right. An author is a person who writes a story. There. An author is a person who writes a story. Like this. Look at this woman. What do you think is she doing? Hmm, she's writing, right? And she is writing a story. Look, she's like imagining what will she write, right? Okay. How about the illustrator? What do we mean when we say illustrator? Okay, so an illustrator is the one who draws the pictures. Very good. And today we are going to meet the author and illustrator of our story. And our author is Sharon Creech. Very good. And look, a picture. There's a picture of her. And you're going to have a short background of her life. Look, can you please read this paragraph? When Sharon Creech is working on a book, she sometimes gets stuck and she doesn't know what to write next. When that happens, she goes for a long walk and she does some laundry or cleans the bathroom. Then she returns to her computer and starts writing again. Yes, so that's a short background of the life of Sharon Creech. Now, Let's meet the illustrator. Who is our illustrator? He is Harry Bliss. Very good. Harry Bliss. And here is the information about his life. Sharon Creech thinks the illustrations Harry Bliss drew for A Fine Fine School are very, very funny, especially the ones with Tilly's dog in the background. Bliss is a cartoonist whose comic strip appears in the daily newspapers, and he and his family live in Vermont. Okay, so Mr. Harry is a cartoonist. Oh, are you ready to read the story? Well, here it is. Yes. What's the title? A Fine, Fine School. Very cute. Well, do you like to go to school? Oh, that's great. School is a fun place to learn. Yes. And again, this story is written by Sharon Creech and pictures by Harry Bliss. Okay? And look. Oh, what can you see? You see a girl holding a very large backpack, right? Look, there. And it's very full. Yes, it's full of items, school items. And here's a boy pushing the backpack because I think it's very heavy. And look, here's also a puppy reading, right? Okay, and while we're reading the story, we have to answer an essential question. Can you please read? How is learning at school different from learning at home? Okay, we're going to discuss the difference of learning at school and learning at home while reading the story. Okay, but I think our time is already up, so we're going to continue. Let's see each other again on my class. Check out Hetra Academy. Bye bye.